Hi, John from Diode Dynamics. Today we're excited to introduce 5 new Stage Series kits for the Ford Super Duty. If you'd like to learn more detailed information about any of these kits we've covered in this video, click the playlist at the end of the video or in the description box below. If you aren't already familiar with our Stage Series product lineup, all of our pods feature a powerful main beam in either our Sport or Pro power level, as well as a backlight to be used as an ambient accent light to make your truck stand out. Each of these kits were designed, tested, and assembled right here in the US to bolt directly to factory mounting points, requiring zero cutting or drilling, all backed by an 8-year warranty. Let's take a closer look at each one. Starting off, we have 2 fog kits. First being our Fog Pocket Kit. This was designed to be much more than just 4 pods mounted to your front bumper, offering 3 distinct lighting functions: road legal fog lights, bright off-road lighting, and ambient amber backlight illumination. This kit includes 2 of our SS3 pods and our fog optic, providing focused light directly in front of the vehicle for road legal output that is much brighter than stock, as well as 2 SS3s in our combo optic. These combine our driving and flood optics to shine light in a focused beam downrange and directly in front of the vehicle, giving you maximum output while off-roading. This kit is compatible with halogen and OEM LED fog lights. With the included wiring harness, you can switch between functions with ease. The fog lights are designed to work in the same way as the factory installed fog light, with the fog lights turning on automatically anytime the headlights are turned on and the fog light switch is in the on position. The off-road lights are controlled manually by the included toggle switch, or you can swap it out with the included adapter to use it with your factory auxiliary switches. This kit is available in our 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow output for the fogs, along with an amber backlight when the main beam isn't in use. The second fog option is our SS6 Fog Light Kit. This kit allows you to mount a pair of our 6-inch Stage Series light bars in place of the factory LED fog lamps, providing a significant increase in light output. We offer these kits in your choice of 6000K cool white or amber, which is a great option for anyone looking to change the color of their fog lights. The best part about this kit is our SAE fog beam pattern is legal for on-road use as fog lights. And with the included plug-and-play DT adapter, the kit plugs right into the factory fog light connector. Next, we have our SS5 Bumper CrossLink Lightbar Kit. Using our patent-pending CrossLink technology, this kit links 6 SS5 LED pods together into a single light bar in front of your bumper. You have the option of 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow output available in our combo optics. In addition to the insanely bright main beam, our SS5s will also give you a built-in selectable backlight with 8 color options in our white pods and a single amber backlight in our yellow pods. These can be easily cycled to the flip of a switch without any extra controllers or wiring. Moving up above the hood, you'll see our Stage Series Ditch Light Kit. This kit allows you to mount a pair of our SS5s, SS3s, or SSE2s above your hood, utilizing existing mounting points. Our Ditch Light Kit offers tons of customization, allowing you to choose between a Sport or Pro power level in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow output, along with an amber backlight. Each option comes in our combo optic to provide you that high intensity output downrange, as well as added fill light directly in front of your truck. And lastly, we have our Stage Series Reverse Light Kit. This kit comes in our flood optic in your choice of our SSC1 or SSC2 LED pods in our Sport or Pro power levels. And thanks to the included harness, this kit is completely plug and play. Unlike other kits in the market, our kit uses vehicle signals to automatically turn on the main beam when you throw your truck in reverse, and there's no need to run wires all the way to the front of your truck. The included 7-pin harness connects to your trailer hitch wiring. Not only will our reverse kit give you a huge increase in light output when backing up at night, but each pod option includes a distinctive backlight in a vibrant red color, which functions as an additional accent light when driving. If you're looking to pick up one of these kits for your vehicle or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you'd like to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.